Welcome to Blue Oceans IoT by Techonomics Australia. The future of machinery maintenance, where the integration of oil condition sensors and IoT is transforming how we monitor and manage equipment health. At the core of predictive maintenance technology lies the highly sophisticated oil condition sensors, which play a pivotal role in monitoring and ensuring the health of machinery. These sensors serve as vigilant guardians, delivering continuous and instantaneous data on the condition of the oil. These sensors deliver invaluable insights by detecting contaminants, monitoring oil viscosity, and tracking temperature fluctuations. Their real-time monitoring offers an early warning system, preventing downtime, prolonging equipment life, and ensuring operational efficiency and reliability. The Internet of Things, IoT, represents an advanced network of interconnected devices designed to communicate and exchange data seamlessly. With the integration of oil sensors, IoT facilitates instantaneous data analysis, empowering informed and timely decision-making. By integrating oil condition sensors with IoT platforms, we create a smart system that monitors, analyzes, and reports oil conditions in real time, directly to your device. Thanks to Blue Oceans, the advanced IoT platform by Techonomics. This integration offers numerous benefits. Proactive maintenance. Detect issues before they escalate. Cost reduction. Save on repairs and downtime. Longevity. Extend the life of your machinery. Convenience. Monitor from anywhere, anytime. Imagine receiving an alert on your phone about a potential issue in a remote piece of equipment. With our integrated system, you can act immediately, saving time and resources. Hear from clients who've experienced the advantages firsthand, reporting improved efficiency and peace of mind.
In summary, oil condition sensors have transformed our operations. They've made us more efficient, reduced costs, and given us peace of mind. If you're still relying on old-school methods, I highly recommend exploring online oil condition monitoring. It's a game changer.
In conclusion, the integration of oil condition sensors with IoT isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap towards smarter, more reliable, and cost-effective maintenance. Are you ready to take control of your equipment's health? Contact us to learn more about how our integrated solutions can benefit you. Call Chris at Set, Ronnie, or Sadiq on 6126 742 1892 or send your email to admin@techonomics.com.